My first job out of college was at Thomasville Furniture. I was always encouraged to try many experiments to make improvements in our processes. But this story isn't about me. It's about an invention that changed the industry that was developed by one of our engineers. In our veneer plant, the most expensive wood that was used in veneered processes was burled walnut. It was swirly, curly, brittle, and prone to damage. Now, in the past, if a piece of this burled walnut got a big crack in it, it had to be disposed of at a huge expense. Now, small cracks could be taped, and the moisture of the tape would draw the wood together. And after pressing, the tape could be sanded off, and you would lose that crack, which was pretty cool. But Jack had some other ideas. He wanted to save all of the burled veneer. So he thought, hey, maybe we could cut the defect out and fill it with a good piece, then tape it, press it, and sand the tape off, and lose the lines and save the veneer. Now, the piece that would fill would have to be the same size and shape as the defect that was cut out. Now, that was really hard to do manually, but some of the most experienced operators were trying to do it, and sometimes they were able to save the veneer. And Jack went into the maintenance shop and got a small punch press and tried different shapes. He tried a square, he tried a circle, he tried a triangle. The issue with that was you could kind of see the lines even after taping, pressing, and sanding. Okay, so he really decided that maybe he should come up with a random shape that kind of more could be hidden in kind of the swirliness of the burl veneer. So after many trials, he came up with a shape that looked kind of like a bumpy potato. But when he used it, taped it and pressed it, sanded it, the cracks and the lines were gone. It's amazing. Now, we couldn't help ourselves, and we called this punch shape many silly names, including the duty punch. Now, we had a lot of fun with that, but we stopped making fun when we saw that it worked. This duty punch became the standard for our industry. It was approved, and tons of burled walnut veneer was saved. And after this, Jack didn't rest on his laurels. He went on to invent many other amazing things to improve our processes. I hope you enjoyed this story, gained some insight, and learned something you can use. You'll find many more Kaizen stories on my website, www.pi-partners.com. If you'd like help growing your profits through sustained process improvement, scan the QR code on the screen for a free consultation, and let's start our journey together.